are having an incredible day today. Today we are doing this date night Valentine's Day collab with Maricia. If you guys do not know who she is, I'm going to link her right over here. Also, if you guys are from Maricia's channel, hello, welcome. Welcome to our crazy little family that we got going on over here. Now, I know you guys want to rush and get to the point because, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up and you guys just want to find your looks, see what works, and get it rolling. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Hey babes, how are you doing today? We are going in with the Morphe and James Charles palette in You're Kidding. So I'm going to start off with pulling my eyebrow up with my finger, and then I'm going to take tapping motions. So as you see, I am tapping first on the crease, and then once I feel like the product has already placed on well, I will be tapping on a little bit higher and higher to get the excess of that product. We want to take the product off the brush. Now we're going to go in again. I did get a little bit more product and we're going to do the same exact thing. Little by little, as you get more product, you will continue to place the brush a little bit lower. Now we're going to go in to Ringlight, and this is also in the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm placing that in the inner corners. I thought that this would be a good effect to give your inner corners a little bit more of light, and then also your brow bone. Now we're going back in to the You're Kidding on the same brush. I think this is like a Morphe 38 brush or something, R38 brush. So as I go and pick up more color, I will be going a little bit lower, so you want it to seem like a smoky effect. And now I'm getting a little bit of a smaller brush. I'll list it down below because I don't remember what it's called right now, but I will be listing it. So this I am actually putting right at the crease and going a little bit lower down. I am using that swiping motion a little. And one more thing, we are getting the Essence Dip Liner. I am using that very lightly just to make sure that when I do place on my lashes, it does come out very dark and it doesn't look like there's a difference between my eye and the lash. So as you can see, this is very minimal eyeshadow placement. I'm only using really 2 colors from the Morphe, well technically 3 because I'm currently using Spooky to set my liner. So I'm currently using only 3 products from the James Charles palette, but from the actual eyeshadow I only used 1. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Glue. So I'm just using a random brush for this. It's nothing very specific, but I do like to place it kind of where I want, like I normally put the crease. So when I normally do a cut crease, I do kind of have this line already pictured in my mind. So I do place the glue there first and then I will apply the glue. This brush is just an Urban Decay brush that I've used that it has 2 ends. So I use the flatter end to apply the glitter from. The glitter I only have like a Michael's Craft glitter. I got it just to like try it out, and a lot of people do not recommend craft glitters, so if you guys don't want craft glitter from the store, do not get it. Now I'm doing this little trick. I'm getting tape. This is double-sided tape, and I'm using that to pick up all the glitter from my face. So when I use glitter, I don't do my face makeup first. Well, I never really do my face makeup first, but you don't want to get too much glitter. Now I'm doing this little, it's like a soft lash. It's not too intense, so it's perfect for date night, because sometimes you want the guy to kind of be able to see the eyeshadow, because you spend so much time on it. You didn't do it for him, but you spent time on it, so you want him to notice there's glitter there and not have humongo lashes where he can't tell there's glitter. So these lashes I did get from Eyeliner. I'll list them down below because I don't know what they're called right now. So I'm just applying the lash little by little, making sure all the ends meet. And now I'm taking that same small brush that I used from up top, and I'm using it in You're Kidding on the lash line. I try to be very careful when I'm going on the lash line because you don't want to be a pain. So I do clean it up a little bit under my eye. I do have more of the Plouise Rumor 2 primer. And now I'm going in with You're Kidding and a pencil brush to darken up that color a little bit more and make sure it's brightened. So now I'm taking a Luxie brush, I'll list it down below, and this I'm putting the Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and this is in the shade Tawny. So I originally started putting on my foundation, but then when I got to concealer, I did have an issue because it did look, I'm still testing out colors, and it looked a little bit yellow than I wanted. So I didn't put in the edit the concealer. I did, however, want to show you how I apply foundation, and don't mind the top of my head is a lot darker. I used to go walking a lot in the morning, and so there's a difference there. So I'm currently going in to shade my nose. Oh my god, my nose is literally one of the hardest things that I've tried to do in the past year or so. I've tried to test out my nose and the contouring and all that stuff, and the bulb of my nose, if you can't see it, there's a bulb on my nose that it's very hard to contour. Product rarely stays on the way I expect it to, so it's been a bit of a struggle trying to make my nose look skinnier and smaller. So we're still in the middle of that, trying to figure that out. Now I'm setting my entire face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is like a staple. I always use this. My face just looks crazy, but you know. Now I'm taking the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and some Morphe brush. I will list it down below because, yeah, all my brushes are like slipping through my mind right now. I used to know them all by memory, but they're just slipping through my mind. So I like to apply first at the edge and then go over it. So I'm over here taking no product on this little brush and kind of dusting out everything. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier powder, and these are the Brittany Bare nose contour brushes. I need to start using them again to see if they would really work or not, because I'm still in a little pickle with my nose contour. So I do not bake my cheeks. I just kind of lightly put powder on them, or my under eyes. What I do bake is the sides of my nose, but the rest I just put like a light part of powder on it. Oh my god, that was a tongue twister. I just put a little bit of powder just to make sure it sets the foundation and the concealer and everything. For some reason I do look a little bit discolored right now, but I promise you I will set it. Everything sets. For some reason my skin always looks better an hour after maybe like 30 minutes after I finish my makeup. So I always try to plan ahead just in case, because I don't want to go out looking like crazy little ball of sunshine. I want to make sure my makeup looks beautiful. So after taking off the powder on my face, I will go in with a blush. This is the MAC by Melba. The Melba by MAC. I am so sorry. I love this blush. And I'm, you know, checking out everything. And now taking off after I probably let it sit there for like maybe like 20 minutes. No, I am not naked. I have a shirt on. And I'm going in with this highlighter by Makeup Revolution. This is so beautiful. It's actually, it's $6 and it's a really nice highlight for $6. I will list the shade down below with everything else because I don't remember the shade right now. My memory is a little bit off. And now, of course, the beauty of the highlights. I love putting highlight literally everywhere. Oh my god. It is godsend right now. Highlight is my life. I love it. I live it. I breathe it. Who else lives and breathes highlight? Because same. Alright, now I'm trying to choose which one, and I decided to go with the darker one. These are the Morphe lipsticks, and I decided the darker one, which is Dominant. Oh, the one thing I remembered today. So I'm using the NYX lip liner, suede lip liner in Alabama, and then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe brushes lipstick in the shade Dominant. So I'm over here making sure my liner is nice and beautiful. I want to slay everyone on this date night Valentine's Day look because, you know, you gotta be the hottest girl at the restaurant or wherever you're going. You want to look bomb. You want to slay the game. You want to snatch all those souls. You just want to look gorgeous. And then I did do that little lip thing that makes your lips look poutier. I don't know if it really works, but I wanted to try it out. So of course, just applying the lipstick, beauty and all. And thank you guys for watching so much. So I almost forgot that I did clean up my lipstick because that is very important, especially after putting on normal lipstick and not liquid lipstick. You want to clean it up to make it all nice and beautiful. This is my end result. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Go and check out my girl Maricia in our date night Valentine's Day collab. Her channel is bomb. Oh my god, you guys definitely have to go check her out right now. Go right now. And after that, go check out my channels, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, my TikTok, my Snapchat. Go check them out. You would not regret it. Also, if you guys are not a part of my YouTube contact list, this is where I am starting to collect birthdays and stuff like that because I want to start shouting out people, shouting out our little family, our crazy little family that we got going on. I want to shout you guys out on your birthdays or the week of your birthday. So please, the YouTube contact list is in my description box. And all the products, if you guys have not seen already, all the products will be listed down below with links to see where you can get them, what you would like, and all that. And come join our little family, subscribe to our channel, because it's not just my channel, it's our channel, our crazy little family that we got going on over here. And hit that notification bell if you want to get notified about my videos. Love you guys so much. Bye.